Now that you have looked at all the different websites and videos about the Big Six, we're going to summarize or do a quick overview of what you have learned. The Big Six is a research model that is there to guide you and to help you organize, gather, and make sure that you are writing the best research paper possible. You are researching a topic that will interest you and help you find the answers to the topic and where and how to find the information. The first one is the task definition. You need to define the problem and figure out what information you'll need. The second of the Big Six is information seeking strategy. You're going to look for different sources to support your topic and choose the best one. The third one, you're going to locate and access information. You need to physically or digitally locate those sources to find information within by reading the information within. Number 4 is use of information. You need to interact with those sources and pick information that is important to your topic. Number 5 is synthesis. Put all your information together in a way that makes sense and present it. You can present it in a paper, as a PowerPoint, performance, or any other way that your teacher would like. The last one of our Big Six is evaluation. Think about your work and decide how well your research went and how good your paper is. Now let's take a look at the last part of our blend space video about the Big Six research. The last thing we're going to do is look at our worksheet. If you notice that on the right-hand side, you have the Big Six official websites, worksheets, and other links where you can click on and find other information about it. If you click on some of the websites, you're going to be able to find other information about the Big Six, an overview. You're going to be able to find a worksheet that's going to help you give you more of a definition of what the Big Six is all about. You're also going to find other websites where you can read about how the Big Six is used to get better grades. And the last one is an overview of how the Big Six is and their definitions, and a quick reference of what the Big Six is. If you notice that on our worksheet, we have our task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it has it broken down where you can list what your topic is going to be on. You can also list some of the keywords that you can use when you search in the database, in the library's database. Next, when you're going to do the information seeking strategy, what are the best sources? Are you going to be finding books? Are you going to look into the school's database? Or are you going to use an encyclopedia? You can use one or all. The next one is location and access. Here in this box, you're going to list all of the sources that you found when you were seeking the information. If you need more space, you can always write on the back of your worksheet. The fourth part is use of information. You're going to have to read all of your sources that you've collected. You're going to have to pick out any information that you're going to use, and you can write them on a note cards to organize later and to write it. Number 5, you're going to synthesize. How can I organize and present all of the information all of the notes that you wrote on your note card, this is the time for you to put it together in order to write your rough draft of your paper or performance or whatever you decide to do. The last part of your worksheet is to evaluate. Did you do your best? Is there anything else that you can do? This is the final draft of your paper. You are checking off everything that is on the rubric in order for you to turn it in. And if there's anything else that you can do to make it better, this is the time to do this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions about any of the discussion that we have done, make sure that you ask your librarian, me, Ms. Gutierrez, or your teacher for any help. Or you can also ask a parent and they can also help as well. Make sure that you use all of the information that we have provided and any of the websites that we've used today. Thank you so much, and I hope that everyone is able to do an awesome job with their Big 6 research project. Thank you, and have a great day.